This is how you can create powerful tools using DeepSeek. Once we prompted DeepSeek about the calculator, it started thinking about it first. Behind the scenes, its mind is built with layers of code that team up to fix problems. Let's go to VS Code and create an index.html file. The best thing about it is you can directly run the generated code inside DeepSeek. As we created separate codes, let's copy this code and paste it. Same with styles.css and script.js. Now let's run it. And boom, this is how it turns out. Now I have tested it with some more things, like a scientific calculator, and it goes very well. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe.